Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews and Moves. Today we got a really special review to do. It's that time of year. Every year, the Boston Scally Company, just like their anniversary editions, come out with a new Nightmare. We are on up to Nightmare 5 now. I was not a part of the Boston Scally crew or any kind of collecting when the first 3 came out. However, I was able to snag up the first one, but I have yet to do the one that's Freddy Krueger and the one that's Purple Velvet. I don't know if I'll ever be able to get my hands on one of those, but I do have the one from last year, which was Nightmare 4, where it was Jason, the single panel. And now we have Nightmare 5, which is the Freddy Krueger, or not Freddy Krueger, the Michael Myers one. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. And last year, I was the first. Oh no, I'm sorry. There was. I guess the one with the purple velvet was the first year. I believe they did the where they put them in box sets. I believe. You quote, or you can put in the comments if I'm wrong on that or not. And then last year, of course, the Nightmare 4 came in a box just like this one did. And one thing I'm really excited about on this is the one of the extra little goodies they threw in. I don't know how well those are going to go, but we shall see. And here is the Nightmare 5. Of course, you got the Michael Myers in there with the cap. Ace, now is not the time. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We're going to go ahead and unbox it here. Let me get Ace out of the way. Dude, you got to stay down. It's going to be okay. I'm going to shut this door for you. Here, you have this box to play with. Here. There you go. That should keep you busy for a while. One thing nice, got the Boston Scally on there. Of course, the box. Michael Myers on there. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is on the inside. And I'll show a close-up of this in a moment as the dust bag on there. I'm going to turn this on as well so you can see a little bit more better light. Got the dust bag on there. And I'm going to read this real quick. Welcome back, Fearless One. By claiming the Nightmare 5 Collector's Edition, you've joined the ranks of those who don't just walk through the dark, they own it. This cap wasn't made for the faint of heart. It was forged for the silent ones, the watchers, the patient, the few who move without sound, strike with style. Fewer still have the nerve to wear it, but you wear the shadow well. Keep your head low, your focus sharp, and your brim pulled down, just enough to make them wonder. After all, the night always remembers. Oh, it even has Michael Myers coming out of the fire. Wonder why they didn't pick the one at the last one where he got put in the little grinder, the meat grinder at the end. That was the last one that came out. All right. And here's the dust bag. Really cool artwork again. I don't know who does their artwork, but they do a pretty darn good job. Just going to get everything out of here. And there it is. Again, the dust bag. And here's the pins that it came with. Ooh, I kind of do like the jack-o'-lantern on there. That's pretty cool. I'll probably just pick the Nightmare 5 button on there. And here's the cap. 8-panel cap. I said last year was a single panel. And how about the detail on this? Blood splatter all over the brim. Again, medium large, great artwork on the inside. And here's the one they threw in this year, a pair of socks. You know, I think I know a perfect place where I'm going to wear these socks after I try them on here. And I'll go ahead and show that. These are for men's socks, sizes 10 to 13 or shoe size 7 to 12. Me being a size 13, we'll see how tight these bad boys are. We're going to try them on, though. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, show you a close-up of everything, and I'll be right back. Oh, well, here's a close-up of everything. Of course, the dust bag. The awesome cap here. This does look pretty good in person. I didn't know if I was going to like it or not. Nightmare 5, of course, the medium, and then of course all the blood spatter on the brim. And here's the set of the pins. I'm going to lean more towards wearing the one on the right. not the knife or the house, but although that jack-o'-lantern looks pretty sweet. Of course, these socks, which like I said, I got a perfect place to wear those when I go out. And here's the box. Boston Scally on the inside, of course, what I read earlier on. And there he is coming out of the house. He got the knife in his hand? No, he's got, okay, this is definitely off of the scene there. All right, so we're going to go and pause the video. We're going to try everything on, and I'll be right back. All right, so now that we showed everything up close, we're going to go and try it on. Here is the cap. I end up choosing to go with the Nightmare 5-pin with the Michael Myers on it, which I thought was cool. Again, inside looks amazing. Got the light little button on there. Let's go and try it on. Perfect fit. And this is a medium large. Great looking cap. Let's go ahead and get a little more close up this. How about that look there? Looks very nice. You know, we got the, of course, the 8 panels there all together. We got the, it's all got the, I mean, it's got the, obviously they're reversed there, but you can see all 8 panels. But the most important thing is I got a perfect place. Let me go ahead and show you how these socks look. How about them bad boys? Here's the socks. Like I said, I wear a size 13, so you can see a little bit of the color coming through. Got the pumpkin on there. Got Michael Myers. And I don't know if you can see the Boston Scally logo on there on the bottoms. But I'm thinking to myself, where could I wear these socks at? Where could I possibly wear these socks at? And how cool they would be. So I'm going to make my grand appearance. And I'm going to walk in tonight. I'm going to wear these to the club out tonight. And I'm going to show you a quick look at what I think I'm going to look like when I wear these socks. How about this? Yeah, so hopefully everybody's get that reference from Police Academy when they go to the Blue Oyster. I'm that kind of guy. I just thought that was kind of funny, but you know, it's they had a good idea of the socks. It's something they were done, and whether or not I'd ever wear them, no, probably not. But it was I just thought people would get a kick out of that scene, and you know, probably like I said, that's the first thing that came to my mind when I seen that. But again, this is Reviews of Moose. I hope you guys enjoy this review. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day. And I believe this is still available on the website too. So this, I mean, usually they get sell out pretty quick. So if you guys do like this cap, hurry up and swing over to Boston Scally and pick it up. All right, everybody. See you next time.